To attach BabyWear to SONNET 2, first slide the silicone ring of the attachment clip over the battery pack cover, with a small cable ring to the back. Slide the end of the 28cm coil cable through the ring in the attachment clip. Plug the coil cable into SONNET 2. Slide the battery pack cover over the battery pack and turn the lock to the horizontal locked position. Remove the ear hook with the pin removal tool and replace it with the ear hook cover. By gently pressing it upwards. To insert the pin, you can use the magnetic end of the brush. SONNET 2 can now be clipped to clothing. This wearing option can also be used for sporting activities, which require a helmet.